जी, रूना लैला मैम के साथ हम लोगों ने एक कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। वो भी जज कर रही थी, मैं भी जज कर रहा था। और उन्होंने जो कलाम पढ़ा हुआ है लाल मेरी बात, वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज़ अमेजिंग, शी इज़ अ लेजेंड एज वेल। उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ। जब भी देखा है कि आप लोग जो है वो बारिश हो ना हो, जैसे भी हो, आप लोग जो है वो ज़रूर उस शो पर जो है वो तशरीफ़ लाते हैं। तो उसकी तैयारी में जैसे लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने परफॉर्म किया था, उससे थोड़ा सा अलग होगा ऑब्वियसली, ताकि ऑडियंस को जो है कुछ नया मिल सके। सो we'll be announcing the album as well tomorrow.
बांग्लादेश में बहुत सारे फूड्स हैं, आपको कौन सा फूड सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ का?
अरे वाह, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने। मुझे पर्सनली आप लोग उसको खिचड़ा कहते हैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, और हम उसको हाँ सो खिचड़ी ही कहते हैं बेसिकली। सो और जो आप लोगों की एक चाय होती है जिसको आप लोग चा बोलते हैं, which is with malai. I think it's beautiful. It's just so delicious, so amazing. और आप लोगों की बिरयानी जो है बहुत लाजवाब। मैं दुनिया में कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो मैं सब लोगों को बांग्लादेश के खाने की बहुत तारीफ करता हूँ। मुझे कोई सबसे ज़्यादा पूछता है, वो कहते हैं आपको चाइनीज़ पसंद है, थाई पसंद है। मैं कहता हूँ नहीं, एक दफ़ा आप ज़रा बांग्लादेश जाएँ, वहाँ का खाना खाएँ, फिर मुझे बताएँ।
बांग्लादेश के बहुत सिंगर्स हैं, आप इनमें से किसी को जानते हो? जैसे रूना लैला है,
जी
काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, तो आप किन लोगों को जानते हो?
जी, रूना लैला मैम के साथ हम लोगों ने एक कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। वो भी जज कर रही थी, मैं भी जज कर रहा था। और उन्होंने जो कलाम पढ़ा हुआ है लाल मेरी बात, वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज़ अमेजिंग एंड शी इज़ अ लेजेंड एज वेल। उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा और नहायत ही नफीस खातून। सॉरी, you all are my relatives. I mean, you're like a family to me. But अगर आप बात करें तो मैं ज़्यादातर जो है यहाँ पे मेरा बिजनेस सिर्फ काम के सिलसिले में ही है।
If you perform live around the world, so where is the difference between in other country and in Bangladeshi audience?
The difference is when the kind of roar that I get from you guys, the kind of response that I get from you people, it's nowhere else. Because for me to gauge an audience is when they sing my song Adat, and when they respond to that part, hey, hey, you know, when they do that, I think you guys are the loudest.
Do you have any plan to sing Bengali song from Bangladesh?
I would love to, but I don't want to ruin, you know, the song because you know I don't have that accent. So I would rather nail it first and then sing it, as of to you know any disrespect.
Hello, Atif.
Hi.
It's me. I'm from Chennai, Kimu. So I have a question for you. This is related to this concert. So I have to know that pure melody and sad songs which makes our nervous system calm down. So as a person and as a singer, which songs do you listen more when you feel low or depressed or something emotionally drained?
What's your good name?
Kimu.
Himo. You know, I listen to all sorts of music. Yes, in the low times and the sad times, I listen to everything except Atul. But I think when I'm low and depressed, I think that is the most beautiful time when I can write music and write something. The creativity at its best, I believe, because it creates a lot of room for me to explore the lyrics and the melody and the chords, and it helps me a lot when I'm in my lonely space.
Which song is your favorite most? I just want to know that.
Out of my songs? Out of my songs. Okay, I think all my album songs that I
You know, all your
really
playbacks or some everything.
well, mostly my album songs are my favorites because they are written from my heart, and also the fact that you know you talk about this album, the new album, it has a lot of my heart and soul in it. Because after a very long time, I wanted to make the kind of music that I've dreamt of, the kind of music that I wanted people to listen. So yes, I think they're more close to my heart. Album, just like Subha, you know, I think you can just sing in a free form, just the way you want to sing. You're not bound. You're not looking into a situation as a film situation where you know the hero and the heroine, you know, they're in love and all of that. But in the album, you can be yourself. You're your own music director. So that's the difference.
आप कैसे फिल्मों के गाने के साथ अप्रोच करते हैं जब आपको कोई फिल्म का गाना प्ले करना होता है तब आप कैसे उसके साथ रिलेट कर पाते हैं?
मैं सिचुएशन के साथ रिलेट कर पाता हूँ। जैसी सिचुएशन होती है वैसे ही गाना होता है, वैसे ही मैं उसको उसके साथ जस्टिस करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, चाहे वो सोलफुल है चाहे वो रोमांटिक।
Atif, do you have a plan to sing in Bangladeshi film?
What's your good name, sir?
Pantho.
Mathur?
Pantho.
Pantho.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, we've done a song already in a Bangladeshi film. It was called Meete Alo, and would love to sing more Bengali songs and would love to collaborate with my Bangladeshi brothers and sisters for my new project Borderless, and they're more than welcome to approach me. I personally think that Taj Tare-e-Haram is one kalam where I don't sort of own anything about it. The whole credit goes to Sabri Kawals because it was their original composition. It was the original piece of about 20 minutes. It was very challenging for me to pay a tribute to them. Yes, it was loved, which is why I'm thankful again. But it had nothing of me. I just lent my voice in it, and I'm very happy about it. In terms of the other Coke Studio of this region, I always look forward to the new artists. I always look forward to new music and working with them as well. I think it's a beautiful sound. You guys are doing very good, and I look forward that one day, you know, Coke Studio Pakistan collaborates with Coke Studio Bangladesh. That'd be great.
Atif, this is Shohar from Vijay TV. Please, 2-line song for these people who can get no tickets for your concert.
Who can get?
Not can get. You can.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Oh, okay. Well, a lot of love for them, and I just want to say that Tera hone laga hoon, khone laga hoon, jab se mila hoon.
Thank you.